We're developing a super cool game called Konflikt, and we need your help to bring it to the next level. But wait, there's more. Stick around because we've got something special for our friends with sight impairment. Let's dive right in. Game intro. Imagine Russian Backgammon, but with a twist. Test played on a round board. Intrigued? So are we. Konflikt is the name, and it's about to change the game, literally. DIY tactile version. Shout out to our incredible community. We've also crafted a DIY tactile version of Konflikt for our friends with sight impairment. We believe everyone should enjoy the thrill of gaming, and this version is designed just for you. Call to action. Now, here's where you come in. We're on the lookout for volunteers to help us test and refine the game. All you need to do is head over to konfliktgame.com to sign up. You'll get an exclusive PDF of the game board to print out and start playing. Your feedback is gold to us, and together we're shaping the future of Konflikt. Ready to be a part of something epic? Click that link, get involved, and let's make gaming history together. Don't forget to share this with your friends, because the more the merrier. Konflikt, where the game begins and you make it legendary. See you on the battlefield. Konflikt. Thanks for watching. Go sign up to get a free game.